How self-employed house painters can make the most money by having these 4 things. Hi, Lee Casano here from paintingbusinessman.com, and I have over 20 plus years of experience owning and running my own painting business. This video is all about how you, the house painter, can really rake in the cash if you know and have these 4 simple things. Number 1, if you know all the best painting tips, tricks, and techniques for turning your jobs faster and more professionally, especially for doing high-end homes and commercial jobs. Number 2, if you know how to estimate interior and exterior painting jobs with extreme accuracy, no matter what the price range. Number 3, if you know how and where to advertise effectively, especially the big money jobs that are hidden from most painters. And number 4, and one more thing, number 4, if you have just a few powerful add-on services to extend your cash flow per customer, or as another way to make money. When I first started my painting business, I had only one thing going for me. I knew how to find customers, which is cool since without customers you cannot get paid. I also wasn't very knowledgeable about coatings, but then who is when they're new? I had no speed tips for turning my jobs faster, and doing prep work seemed to take forever. Most painters, especially the pros, hate how long prep work takes. Fortunately, I learned how to tame this beast over time, which takes all the guesswork out of prep time and makes it a snap to do. Estimating paint jobs has cost many a painter an embarrassing fortune before they got some kind of formula in place. That is, if they ever do. And just as no 2 exterior jobs are alike, neither are any 2 interior jobs alike either, especially in high-end homes where there's a lot of fancy trim work indoors. And exterior estimating is as far different from interior estimating as east is from west. Even though I was good at finding jobs, I learned the secret places over the years for finding high-paying jobs where you can make the highest professional hourly rates. As far as add-on services goes, I started doing some light carpentry jobs, but my favorite has been drywall and plaster repair, which is easy to do and commands big profits, usually for only about 7 to 10 hours of labor. Another high-paying add-on service I developed was a type of specialized painting where you can make as much as $100 to $200 per hour painting with light. And since you are already in someone's home, these fun add-on services are easy to sell. Get all this information and start a painting business today. Start making money as soon as this week. Just visit paintingbusinessman.com.